남겨놓는다. 와, 여기 너무 예쁘다. 네, 이렇게 가겠습니다. 신전하고.
I'll take the room payment of 206.10 cents. 12 will want to check if the room is ready. If it is ready, we can just give it a ring.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Hi. Can I leave my bag?
Yeah, were you checking out?
No.
Checking in? How many bags altogether?
3.
Those 3? Okay, leave the bags with us. When the room's ready, we'll take them upstairs for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I have iced coffee?
Iced coffee?
Decaf? Do you have decaf?
Decaf, yeah. Having here or takeaway?
Here. And the bagel. 이렇게 데스크가 거리뷰. 샤워 시설 이렇게 있고요. 비누, 마리크림. 스시를 보도록 하겠습니다. 스파이시. 제가 아주 좋아하는 스파이시 토.